Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of us dream about, making money the easier way. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding passive income and online business opportunities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In this video, we'll explore simple yet effective strategies that can help you boost your income without overwhelming effort. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to supplement your earnings, there's something here for everyone. We'll cover various methods from passive income streams to side hustles that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. You'll learn about opportunities that require minimal investment and time, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. Financial freedom is a goal that resonates with many, and finding easier ways to earn money can be a game changer. Imagine having the flexibility to pursue your passions, travel, or simply enjoy more time with loved ones, all while your bank account grows. So stick around as we unveil these strategies and empower you to take control of your financial future. Let's get started on this journey toward easier money-making methods. Understanding passive income. Passive income is a financial concept that refers to earnings generated with minimal effort on your part. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade your time for money, like a traditional job, passive income allows you to earn money even when you're not actively working. This distinction is crucial for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. There are several sources of passive income that you can explore. One popular option is rental properties, where you earn money from tenants while your property appreciates in value. Another avenue is dividend stocks, which pay you a portion of a company's earnings simply for holding their shares. Other sources include peer-to-peer lending, creating digital products, or even starting a blog that generates ad revenue. Establishing passive income streams offers significant long-term financial benefits. It can provide a safety net during economic downturns, help you save for retirement, and ultimately lead to a more comfortable lifestyle. By investing time and resources into building these income sources now, you set yourself up for a more secure and prosperous future. Online business opportunities. In today's digital age, starting an online business has never been more accessible, especially with models that require minimal investment. Three popular options are dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and print on demand. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory, as suppliers ship directly to your customers. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Print on demand lets you create custom designs for products like t-shirts or mugs, which are printed and shipped only when ordered. Choosing a niche is crucial for success in any online business. It helps you focus your efforts and tailor your offerings to meet the specific needs of your target audience. Understanding who your customers are and what they want can significantly enhance your marketing strategies and sales potential. Starting an online business with limited resources is entirely feasible. Begin by researching your chosen model and creating a simple business plan. Utilize free or low-cost tools for website creation and marketing. Leverage social media to build your brand and connect with potential customers. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn your online business dreams into reality. Investing. Basics. Investing is a crucial step toward wealth accumulation and achieving financial security. By putting your money to work, you can grow your savings over time, outpacing inflation and building a nest egg for the future. Understanding the basics of investing is essential for beginners looking to make informed decisions. There are several investment vehicles to consider, each with its own risk and return profile. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, but they also come with higher volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans to governments or corporations and typically provide more stable, lower returns. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making them a great option for those who prefer a hands-off approach. If you're new to investing, it's wise to start small. Begin with a modest amount that you can afford to invest without impacting your daily finances. As you gain confidence and knowledge, gradually increase your investments. Remember, the key to successful investing is patience and a commitment to continuous learning. Start your journey today and watch your financial future flourish. Leveraging technology. In today's fast-paced world, technology plays a pivotal role in simplifying money-making processes. Numerous apps and platforms are designed to facilitate easy money management and investment, making it more accessible for everyone. For instance, budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB help you track your expenses and savings effortlessly, while investment platforms like Robinhood or Acorns allow you to invest with just a few taps on your smartphone. Automation is another game changer in the financial landscape. By setting up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts, you can save time and ensure that you're consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. This not only increases efficiency, but also helps you build wealth over time without the stress of manual management. Encouraging viewers to embrace technology can significantly enhance their financial strategies. Whether it's using robo-advisors for investment guidance or leveraging online marketplaces for side hustles, the tools available today can empower you to take control of your finances. By integrating technology into your money-making efforts, you can streamline processes, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve your financial goals with greater ease. Side hustles for extra income. In today's economy, side hustles have become a popular way to generate additional income. There are numerous options to consider depending on your skills and interests. Freelance writing is a great choice for those who enjoy crafting content, while tutoring can be rewarding for individuals with expertise in specific subjects. Pet sitting is another fun side hustle that allows animal lovers to earn money while spending time with furry friends. Balancing a side hustle with a full-time job can be challenging, but it's entirely possible with the right approach. Start by setting clear boundaries for your time. Designate specific hours during the week to focus on your side hustle, ensuring it doesn't interfere with your primary job responsibilities. Prioritize tasks and use productivity tools to stay organized and efficient. Encouraging viewers to explore their skills and interests is key to finding the right side hustle. Consider what you're passionate about or what you excel at, as this can lead to a more fulfilling and sustainable income stream. With dedication and creativity, you can successfully integrate a side hustle into your life and boost your financial stability. Conclusion: in today's video, we've explored several key strategies for enhancing your financial well-being. We began by discussing the importance of passive income, highlighting how it can provide a steady stream of earnings with minimal effort, ultimately leading to greater financial freedom. We also delved into various online business opportunities such as dropshipping and affiliate marketing, which allow you to start earning with limited investment. Investing was another crucial topic, as it serves as a foundation for wealth accumulation and financial security. We emphasized the significance of understanding different investment vehicles and starting small to build your knowledge over time. Additionally, we examined how leveraging technology can simplify money-making processes, from budgeting apps to automated investment platforms. Side hustles were also highlighted as a practical way to generate extra income while balancing a full-time job. As we wrap up, remember that these strategies can significantly contribute to your financial growth. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit. Together, we can embark on a journey toward financial empowerment and success. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from Additional Source Income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care